Welcome to another tech brand new videos. Today, we are going to discuss about Snipping Tool. What is it? It is a built-in screenshot utility in Microsoft Windows that allows users to capture screenshots. It's called Snips of their computer screen. It was first introduced in Windows Vista and has been included in all subsequent Windows versions. Let's see how the Snipping Tool works. You have seen the introduction. Now, let's see how to use this Windows built-in tool. So simply open the Snipping tool and select the area you want to snip. Now, just click on the Save button and select the location where you want to save your snipped file, and then enter the name for the file. As simple as that, you have captured the image. Now, let's see different types of shots you can take with the Snipping tool. There are 4 different types of snips you can capture with the Snipping tool. First one is freeform snip. In this type of snip, you can draw any shape around an object like this. Second is rectangular snip. In this type, you can drag the cursor to form a rectangle around the object. Third one is window snip. With this feature, you can select a window to capture like this. Last one is full screen snip. You can use this option to capture the entire screen. Apart from these features, you can also record videos of the screen. This option is only available in the latest Windows version, i.e. Windows 11. Let's see how to take a screenshot on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Both the operating systems follow almost the same procedure for taking screenshots. In Windows 10, press the Windows key plus Shift plus S. A new window will pop up, which is the Snipping tool. But if this shortcut does not work for you, you can also search for the Snipping tool in the Start menu. Now select the type of shot you want to take. For example, let's take a rectangular shot. Just move the cursor to the desired location and click. Now draw the rectangle around the desired portion of the screen and click on the shot. Here, you can edit the shot too. Once done, click on the Save button to save the file. In Windows 11, press the Print Screen key instead of using the shortcut key. A new window will appear, which is the Snipping tool. From here, you can select the type of shot you want to take. Once done, click on the Save button and select the location where you want to save the file, and then give a name to the file and then hit Enter. So this was the way to take a screenshot. Let's see how to use the Snipping tool efficiently. There are some more options available in the Snipping tool, which you should know. Go into Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Here, you can configure your preferences like default save, location, ink, color, pen size, etc. If you don't want watermark on your screenshot, then go to the watermark section and uncheck Show Watermark. This will remove the watermark from the screenshot. There are 2 more advanced features available in the Snipping tool, and both of them are only available in Windows 11. First one is Delay Capture. With this feature, you can set a timer before capturing the screenshot. Simply open the Snipping tool and click on the Delay tab. Here, you can set the timer in seconds before the shot is taken. The second one is Screen Recording. You can record the MP4 video of the screen activity. For this, open the Snipping tool and click on the Recording tab. Now, click on the Record button and perform the activity you want to record. Once done, click on the Stop button. There is one more feature that is OCR. With this, you can extract text from the screenshot. To taking the screenshot, click on the Text button. Now you can copy the selected text from the image. This tool supports multiple languages. Apart from the Snipping tool, there are other ways to take a screenshot. One way is to use the Print Screen key. When you press this key, it takes a screenshot of the entire screen and saves it in the Pictures folder with the name Print Screen. You can also take a screenshot of an active window. For this, press Alt plus Print Screen. The screenshot will be saved in the Pictures folder with the name Window Print Screen. Another combination you can use is Windows key plus Alt plus Print Screen. It will take a screenshot of the active window and save it in the Pictures folder with the name Window Print Screen. Now, let's see how you can create a similar tool. If you want to create your own version, you'll need programming language like C#, C++, or Python. Apart from this, you will need a graphics library for screen capture and drawing. If you are developing the tool for Windows platform, you can use GDI+. On top of this, you will also need UI framework like WPF, WinForms, or similar to design the user interface of the tool. Let's see the basic components required for developing such a tool. First is the screen capture module. It will capture the pixels from the screen and store them as a bitmap. Next is selection interface. This will allow the user to select the area they want to capture. This could be a rectangle, a freehand, or a window. Next is editing tools. The Snipping Tool offers basic editing tools like pen, highlighter, and text, which can be added to the screenshot. Then there is save or share functionality. This will allow the user to export the screenshot in different formats like PNG, JPEG, etc. For setup details, the Windows version is already built in, so you don't have to do anything. For development purpose, you can access the tool through the following ways. You can press the Windows key plus Shift plus S, or you can search for Snipping Tool in the Start menu. If you are using Windows 11, you can also press the Print Screen key to access the tool. Configure the settings of the tool, open the Snipping Tool, and click on the gear icon. Here, you can change the preferences like save location, pen color, etc. If you are using Windows 11, you also get the option for screen recording, delay capture, and OCR, in case you are developing your own version. Here are some technical information about the Snipping Tool. The executable file of the Snipping Tool is present at this location. See Windows System 3.2 Snipping Tool XX. This is the modern version of the tool for Windows 11. The file name is C Windows System 3.2 Screen Sketch exe. Apart from this, source code of the tool is not available publicly, but Microsoft has published documentation on Screen Capture API that you can refer while developing your tool. Here are some keyboard shortcuts you should know. Win plus Shift plus S opens the snipping bar. CTRL plus N creates a new snip. CTRL plus S saves the snip. TRL plus C copies the snip to the clipboard. So this was all about the Snipping Tool. If you want to create your own version of the tool, you can try C#. For this, you can use graphics, copy from screen method for screenshot, and for selecting the region. You can use system.drawing.rectangle for storing the screenshot. You can use system.drawing.bitmap class. Apart from this, you can also use WPF or WinForms for designing the UI. You can also try Python for creating the tool. For this, you can use libraries like Pyatagui and Pillow. If you want a cross-platform solution, you can use Electron. So this was all about the topic. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button. Also, let us know in the comments, what do you think about this topic and what we should cover in the next video. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and never miss out on any new video. Thanks for watching.